November 6, 2023. Right here, guys. Y'all can see this if you focus right here. If you go to my oldest upload, you will see this video. The first video that I uploaded was 3 things to know before getting into fragrances. Only reason why I'm making this video is that I have accomplished 1 year on YouTube. I'm not gonna say I have uploaded a video every single day, but there has been days where I uploaded 5 videos, 6 videos in a day, and almost never missed more than, I would say, at least a week. If I did miss it, I have catched up. I have been the most consistent on YouTube, and this is like really a motivation for myself, because throughout my whole life, YouTube is something that I have been the most consistent with. I have never been this consistent with the school. Anything, I cannot think of anything that I have been this much consistent with. YouTube is a journey that really inspired me, really motivate me to go further and further and further, and to keep on trying to make it. Because I have 300 videos on YouTube, but it's like I'm working, right? I know I don't have 100,000 subscribers, a million subscribers, and this and that, but I'm getting closer to it every day, and this is what keeps me motivated to keep going. And anybody else watching this that needs the motivation of starting your own channel, look at my channel. It's like everybody time frame is different. For somebody, it can take 3 months, and for somebody, it can take up to 3, 4, 5 years. Who knows? Who knows how long it takes? Because I have 300 videos, but I'm still at almost like 440. I don't know, around 400. So I'm close to hitting 500 subscribers. But you just gotta embrace the journey. This is what I've been telling myself lately. You got to embrace the journey, because there is not such a beautiful thing than just embracing the journey. And for example, if you go watch my first video on my channel, you can see how nervous I am throughout my first 20, 30 videos. I'm very nervous. I'm not speaking the way I'm speaking right now. My body language, everything is just not off about the content, but it's like he's very new to this. He needs a lot of skill. So even I have not reached my mark, reached where I'm going at, I'm still grateful for this family that I have here. I'm still grateful for every single of you watching this video right now. And this means a lot, because I downgrade on things that happen. Like, I'll be like, damn, I only have 1,000 views, I only have 800 views, I only have this much, I only have this much subscribers. But there are people out there with only 10 subscribers. There are people out there who's only getting 2 views. 1 view is probably not even a single view right now. And they're still grinding. They're still working hard to post. Hold on, God, my goddamn. This ground has got me fucked up. Let me sit on a pillow. Oh, there is still people out there who is working towards their goals, who's working towards themselves every single day. So, no matter what you are doing right now in life, you just gotta know it's not permanent. You will reach on your goals. You will arrive to a destination where you are heading to. but the only thing is you gotta keep going. There is no going back. There is no going back to this. I remember my first day. That's why I was showing you that thing, guys. I was I was in my college parking lot and I was like, bro, should I even turn the camera on and make this is kind of weird. It's kind of awkward right now. But I did not let myself get too much in my head. I was like, just do it, bro. Just do it. And once I turned the camera on and I started speaking, there is no going back from that. I could not believe. Shout out to my boy Alaric. His channel is BBT Explicit Experience. And I used to be on phone call with him. We used to talk about, I used to tell him, bro, I cannot speak on camera. This is hard. This is this, blah, blah, blah. Like, he was always giving me motivation. He was always telling me, you gotta keep going, bro. It's all practice makes perfect. This, that. A lot of great advice that I got from my brother Alaric, man. Shout out to you, my dog. But without my boy, I would not been here. It's been a long journey, and it's still a lot far away to go. And I still got a long way to go because, bro, I want so much out of life, bro. I want so much out of this shit. I want so much I want to do. And this is why I love this channel so much that I'm not thinking about having another channel right now. Because I'm documenting my whole journey. I'm documenting everything. So much shit can happen in life, and I just want to document everything here. I want to document as much as I can. I want to leave my legacy. I want to leave my mark with this channel right here. Every single of you watching this video right now, just know you can do it too. You gotta get out from your head. Bro, I used to tell Alaric, I was like, bro, we talking about uploading 365 videos? That's a lot of videos. How are we gonna upload that much videos on YouTube? Where are we gonna get that much ideas from, bro? That's too many videos. You know what happened? I just kept going. Day by day, I just kept going. I started thinking about how I'm gonna get there. I started taking more actions, taking things slowly, day by day, night by night. Right now, you're watching this video. Look, guys, it's 10:01 right now, right? And I got 5 more videos to make. And by the time I'm done making 5 videos, it's gonna be 10, 11, 12, around 12 o'clock, 12, 10, 12, 20. And then I will go on my bed, get my laptop, edit the videos, upload it on YouTube. By that time, it's gonna be 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, who knows? Then I'll wake back up around like 8, get in the shower, stop, and get to work. Or repeat the cycle. You do not see, bro, you do not see what happened behind this screen. This is why comparison is thief of joy. When I see somebody successful, when I see somebody doing good, I just be happy for them because you never know what they have to go through to get where they are in life. Like, you can see somebody, I can see somebody else, I'm like, bro, he only have 20 videos and have 200,000 subscribers. But what if he had 10 failed YouTube channel that nobody knows about? What is so much? And this relates to everything, business, personal life, love life, whatever you're going through. You don't truly know what has somebody been through, what kind of experiences they have had, all the things they have did to get where they are at right now. So why worry, like, why worry so much about someone else's life when you can just focus on building yours, when you can just focus on getting yourself right? And I'm not saying only think about yourself and this and that, but What can you really do at the end of the day, bro, if you don't want the best thing for yourself? It's like the fact that nobody can ever want the best for you. Nobody can think, nobody can do anything for you if you don't take the actions, take the steps, do your work, do what you gotta do in life to get to where you wanna go, to get what you wanna get. This is pure motivation for me because, man, look at your well prof. Look at your well prof. Here on YouTube. Bro, here on YouTube. I got a lot to go. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, my friends, my kings, my queens, everybody watching this. This is just the beginning. I got a long way to go. And you'll see everything on this channel. You'll see every single thing on this channel. I'm going far, mate. I'm going far with this shit. If I can do it, you can do it too. Anybody else can do it. You just gotta put in the work. Because, bro, I'm not perfect myself. Like, I got so much things messed up, bro. I'm not depressed or nothing, but it's like I'm trying to better myself. Nothing is perfect. For example, you see the bed is made, right? Look right here. I have clothes that I haven't folded in 5 months. Like, I can't do simple things right now. I don't know. I'm getting out of my head. I'm trying to get myself right. It's hard. I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. The only thing I know is I gotta get out of my head and stop procrastinating. Procrastination is the biggest disease of century. I'm ready. I'm still bettering my life. I'm still trying to get myself together. And if you can relate to this, yeah, let me know because nothing is perfect as it seems, guys. Nothing is that perfect as it seems. But with all that being said, Missionary Pride hit a 1 year on YouTube, and I got a long way to go. So with that being said, if you enjoyed the video, give me that sub so your boy can get at 500 subscribers very soon. And thank you for watching, Have a nice day.